Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing about the topic that is ideas. In idea, basically, it's a currencies. Currencies in currency, basically, we are seeing one idea. Basically. So this thing, basically, which just now basically we discussed, that is actually one idea. Basically, idea is equal to global warming. So in this, basically, the people basically who knows the education sector basically is a problem. They basically say that basically we have informed the government, we have informed the high courts, we have informed the supreme courts, but they are not doing anything basically. They are basically telling that basically we can't do anything basically. That's create we actually up to what level the authority we have basically, up to that level only basically we can do. That was the basically answer given by the high court and supreme court. Assume basically that this is one possibility basically, because the few Kashmiri group basically have finished the school. That means they have finished. That means they basically might have connected to the government also. Basically, they basically are not basically mad basically that they will finish the school like that only basically. So global warming is the one error basically. That is the in education basically 20 percentage education basically is creating problem. So for that basically government basically is going. One of the person told that yeah basically government up to what level government will do basically tell basically. Then person told that yeah, government basically up to what level of authority government has. Just tell that basically. Then one person told that this authority means government. One person told that government people basically are playing the role of the prime minister, playing the role of the president, but they are basically have the authority, na, basically. Yet they don't have any authority only basically. Then the basically the entire back group basically that are the admin group, they are only basically playing with the government basically. Sorry, with they are only they are only handling the world country basically. That also few people say basically. So government basically, a few people says that they are basically just stand in front of the world basically, in front of the public basically, but they don't have any power basically. Then one person told that they might be having the power, na basically. Then one of the person told that basically, do you know basically political family basically how are basically? Then one person told that they want to do marriage basically. So in each and every style basically they do the marriage. Each and every style basically they do the marriage means, for example, I will not take the political name basically. The person basically one new generation basically is supposed to do marriage. So how they are going to do the marriage? Because they have some secrets, right? Basically, they are political family, so they have one secret basically. So few people says that basically sometime basically the girl basically which is going to do the marriage, she basically is died in front of the world basically. That type of marriage also basically some family people do basically. Some that type of marriage also people do basically. That type of also marriage the big family people do basically. That type of thing also basically do. And few people says that basically we basically plans the marriage to the HIV/AIDS girls also basically. Few people say that also basically, and they basically say that basically we have planned his HIV/AIDS girl marriage, and basically we have finished his generation also basically. That type of marriage also happens basically. So that basically depends upon the people mentality basically, how they think up to the bad level basically. So few people, political people say that basically the marriage basically girl which is going to we are going to do marriage basically, she is died in front of the world here basically. That type of marriage also people do basically. That basically the mentality basically. That's basically few people say that basically that is our family secret here basically. You can't disclose like this basically in front of the public basically. Then one of the person told that basically the person basically the Malayali person basically who basically that done the marriage basically with the HIV/AIDS girl and his Narsbandi was done. That was also done in front of you only basically. That time basically You have not told anything. Now basically you are telling that basically don't leak the secret information of the family basically. Like this basically, here basically we are talking about the ideas basically and warming basically. 20 percentage basically education basically sector basically is spreading the energy basically. That is basically the global warming error basically. Now one of the person told that basically how education sector means what basically. This you can see that is entire education sector basically. This is entire education sector. Then he told that yes basically this is education sector. ये एजुकेशन सेक्टर है बेसिकली. ये जो है दैट्स इट इन हिंदी बेसिकली इट इज कॉल्ड, ये जो है वो एजुकेशन सेक्टर है रे बाबा. दिस इज एजुकेशन सेक्टर बेसिकली. दिस MBA, जूनियर KG, सीनियर KG, 12th, कॉमर्स, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी, दिस ऑल आर एजुकेशन सेक्टर बेसिकली. दिस ऑल आर एजुकेशन सेक्टर बेसिकली. And in this basically one of the person asked basically which sector actually is giving the global warming error. Can you track up to that level? Then one of the person basically told that yaar basically what you are telling yaar basically you will finish entire education sector or what. That also one of the person told that basically. Then he told that, then Sunil Arnaya told that instead of basically finishing the entire universe basically, we will clear this 20% error. That would be good basically. Otherwise this 20% education error basically will finish entire universe basically. That Kashmir group basically knows that. Kashmir group knows this basically. Kashmir group basically know this basically. That means if they know, then basically they have the solution also basically. If they know this basically that 20% is a education error, then the question basically Sunil Arnaya asked basically. No, universe group basically told that basically have you created the education? You are the basically person who created MBA. You are the person who created chartered accountancy. You are the person who created the MBA degree. Then Sunil Arnaya told no basically I have not created what. I have not created. I have not created. I am just telling basically that this type of error basically are there basically, and it might problem that it might create problem in universe basically. For that basically universe group basically will tell that we don't have any problem basically. If anything wrong is going to happen from the earth planet side, then basically we are going to move the earth planet to certain direction basically. Rest of thing will happen automatically basically. Up to what level basically tension we will take basically. That basically universe group is going to tell. So in this the problem basically are not by the student basically. They are poor people, poor students basically. Means poor means in the education side basically they are poor. In rich people, poor people, both people basically do the study. So in this basically they will say that we are basically just taking the education here. In this what we have done basically. We have done anything basically. Then he told no, we have not done anything basically. We have not done anything basically. हमने तो कुछ नहीं किया. That would be the answer basically. So the people who actually created, they basically never comes in front of the world basically. They always keep safe basically. For example, Congress party basically created BJP, Samajwadi party. Whenever they want to do this type of task basically, they give the task to the BJP, they give the task to the Samajwadi, they give the task to the कितने पार्टी है, आम आदमी पार्टी. आम आदमी पार्टी also basically recently created, बोलो. And they keep safe basically, means play safe basically. In political language basically it is told. In political language it is called they play safely basically. So the educational basically the people who have done the education, created the education, they mostly might not be in India basically. They mostly might be in Switzerland basically, or basically they might be in Japanese country, or they might be in some Gulf country, or might be possible they might be in Singapore also. And few people basically might be in India. And India basically, or basically it might possible that they might be in some Sri Lankan country also basically. It might be possible basically. Because one person basically can't design the entire education basically. Yeah. One person can't design the entire mathematics. One person can't design the entire English. There are basically one group basically, set of group basically. They are basically creating everything basically. That basically group knows that basically A equal to apple, and A is basically one design basically in universe. One number is basically there in universe basically. in one number basically thousands of crores of planet basically are there. Next video